Is FC26 acting up on PC and you are getting randomly disconnected from the game? But don't worry, we have got the fixes that actually work. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If EA Sports FC26 is getting disconnected while gaming on a PC, you are in the right place. Today, we are showing you how to fix the issue in minutes. Method 1. Check if your system meets the minimum requirements. If you are experiencing disconnection issues while playing FC26 on your PC, then first make sure your system fulfills the system requirements to run the game. You can check the system requirements from this link. Method 2. Repair, update or reinstall anti-cheat. The next thing you can do is repair, update or reinstall anti-cheat. To do this, go to the installation location for FC26. Open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder and open it. Double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. Now select the game. Click on the repair option, then click on OK. Next, go to the game installation location and select the folder. Then click on select folder option. This will repair the anti-cheat. Next, click on update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on the install button to install the anti-cheat. It will also get reinstalled when you try to run the game next time. Method 3. Tweak the in-game settings. If you are running FC26 on a low-end PC, then try to tweak these in-game settings and this can help you enjoying a smooth gameplay. To do that, follow these steps. Run FC26, open the game settings and click on display configuration or similar settings. First, set the resolution to the native resolution or 1280x720. Keep changing and see what works for you. Next, set display mode to full screen or windowed borderless. Set the refresh rate to 60 Hz. Next, set the frame rate to 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Turn off VSync. Turn the dynamic resolution scale to off. Set cut skin performance to half frame rate. Set strand based hair to off. Set rendering quality to low. Next, set grass quality to low and crowd quality to low. Once done, go to the bottom of the screen and apply all the changes. Then confirm from the pop-up window. You can tweak the settings as per your system and check what works for you. Method 4. Verify the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause issues like this, so verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and downloads the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 5. Check your internet connection. You cannot play the game properly without a stable internet connection. You can check the internet speed from speedtest.net, so restart the router or the modem to fix the issue primarily. Turn off the router or modem and disconnect it from all power source. Allow a few minutes before reconnecting everything. Now turn on the router or modem and check if this has fixed the problem. Method 6. Check the EA server status. Sometimes due to server outage, you can get disconnected from the game. So check the game server status here and see if there is any problem or if the server is under maintenance. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait till the server becomes up and live again. Method 7. Disable firewall. Firewall can sometimes be overprotective and interfere with FC26 and cause disconnecting issues. So disable firewall for the time being. Since it is always recommended not to disable firewalls and antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, enable them soon after. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option. Click on the radio buttons for Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended options for both private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. Method 8. Update the network drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues while playing games. So you can update the network drivers and see if this can fix the issue. To do so, open Device Manager using Windows Search. Head to the Network Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search automatically for the drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 9. Run the game with administrative privileges. Next, you can run the game with administrative privileges. Sometimes the game files may require administrative privileges to run. Here is how you can do so. Right-click on the game shortcut on your desktop and open its properties window. You can also go to the game installation folder and right-click on the exe file to open its properties. You can also open Steam properties. Go to the compatibility tab, check the books for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Another thing you can do is change the compatibility mode. To do that, open the game properties, then go to the compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode for the option. Select a Windows version and click on Apply and then on OK. Method 10. Change DNS. If the social login failure is occurring due to network-related issues, then changing the DNS can fix the error. To change DNS, type Control Panel in the Windows search box and choose the first option. Next, set the View by option to small or large icons, select Network and Sharing Center. Now select your internet connection next to Connections, then open its properties, or you can select Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your internet connection and select its properties. Search for Internet Protocol version 4, right-click on it and open its properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS server. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 11. Add the game for high performance and try a lower resolution. Press the Windows plus I keys to open Settings. Click on System, then select Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Click on the Browse option and head to the game installation folder. Select Game EXE and add it. You will now see it here. Click on Options and select High Performance. Select Save to save the changes. You can also try a lower resolution from Settings. To do that, go to Windows Settings, click on the System tab and select Display. And head to Display Resolution. You can try a lower resolution than the recommended one for your PC and check if the game loads now. Method 12. Set the power settings to high performance. The next thing you can do is allow the PC to go for performance optimization over power saving. You can set the high performance mode for the intense gameplay for better results. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Set the View by section to large or small icons. Select Power Options. Click on High Performance under Hide Additional Plans. If you cannot find it, click on Show Additional Plans. Once done, restart your PC and then launch FC26. Method 13. Configure Windows game settings. The next thing you can do is make sure the Windows game settings are properly configured for the optimal FPS. This should also reduce crashing and launching issues. First, make sure the game mode is enabled. To check that, go to Windows Settings. Then click on the Gaming tab. Select Game Mode from the right side pane. Make sure the Game Mode toggle is turned on. Next, click on the back button next to Settings and click on the Game Bar tab. Turn the toggle off. Next, go back and click on the Captures tab. Disable Record What Happened and Capture Audio when recording a game toggles. Method 14. Update graphics drivers and run the game on the dedicated graphics card. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how you can update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search, go to the Display Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like FC26. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run utility. Type devmgmt.msc in the Run command box and hit Enter or click on OK. Expand the Display Adapters section. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed. So run the game with the dedicated graphics card. Method 15. Set the highest refresh rate for your monitor. You should choose the highest refresh rate your PC or monitor supports while playing FC26. This ensures a better gaming experience. To do so, right-click on a blank space on your desktop. Select Display Settings, then select Advanced Display. From the drop-down menu for Choose a Refresh Rate, make sure to set the highest rate your monitor permits. Method 16. Allow the game through the firewall. Another potential cause of this issue could be firewall interference. So you can check that by allowing the game through firewall and your antivirus program. Here we are showing how to allow the game through Windows Security. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an App through Firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Finally, you can relaunch the game file and check if it is loading properly. Also, make sure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Method 17. Close unnecessarily running programs. Sometimes streaming and downloading can compete for resources and cause issues while playing games like FC26. So close unnecessary apps to free up bandwidth for FC26. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill, then exit the window. Method 18. Increase VRAM. The more VRAM your system's graphics card has, the more data it can store. So this will enable it to handle higher resolution textures and run your games smoothly without crashing. Here is how you can increase the VRAM. Go to Windows Search and type Advanced System Settings. Select the top search result, click on Settings below Performance. Next, head to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click on Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Choose the drive where you want to store the paging file. Select Custom Size. In the Initial Size field, enter a value equal to 1.5 times the total available RAM on your system. In the Maximum Size field, enter a value that is 3 times your total RAM. Here is how to check your system's available RAM. Go to Windows Settings and select System. Next, select About, check RAM. After you have set the value as per your system, click on Set, then click on OK and again on OK. Once done, restart your PC and then launch FC26. Method 19. flushdns and reset winsock. Type CMD in the search menu and right-click on the command prompt. Select to run as administrator. Copy and paste the following commands in the elevated command prompt window. Press the enter button after each command. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Once done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. And that's how you troubleshoot FC26 on PC like a pro. If your game's finally running smooth, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff tech guides. Still stuck? Drop your error message or setup in the comments. We will help you sort it out. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, where your tech frustrations meet their match. Catch you in the next one.